Hi guys, Jen here with How Jen Does It. I am cleaning my entire house today, so this video has a whole lot of cleaning motivation. So I'm starting in the kitchen, just doing a quick cleanup and cleaning out my sink. I was using baking soda, and then I like to pour boiling water in there to sterilize it really well. To clean my granite, I am using the Grove Collaborative All-Purpose Concentrate, and then you just pour it in a glass spray bottle and fill it with water. I've talked about it before, but I love that for my granite. It leaves it nice and shiny and doesn't leave any residue on my countertop. I shared this in an Insta story recently, but if you have a black stove top and you clean it but it still looks streaky, try the Method stainless steel cleaner. It is great for your stove top. Music going, and I love to sing and dance while I'm cleaning, but I do try to tone it down for videos, but you will notice a little bit throughout the video. I am using a mitt that I got from the Dollar Tree. I shared this in my Dollar Tree hacks video. It is a great duster. I actually found it in the automotive section of the Dollar Tree, which sounds very odd, but where they have things to clean your car and different things like that, that's where you can find it. And yeah, I left the tag on there. I am using the Method wood polish. It smells like almonds. It smells so good. This little tool is also from the Dollar Tree, and it's kind of like the mitt, but it's on a stick, and it works well for getting into small spaces. And then I am using a microfiber cloth to wipe down the railing and the picture frames. Cleaning the glass and mirrors, and if you've been following me for a while, you've heard me say this so many times, but I always have new followers, so I'm sorry for the repetition, but I'm using vinegar and water. I fill a spray bottle about a third of the way with vinegar and the rest with water. You can add essential oils if you do not like the smell of vinegar. I don't, I'm kind of used to it, and the smell does dissipate, but it is awesome for cleaning your glass and mirrors. Vacuuming my whole house, and I'm sure I'll get asked. My cordless vacuum still works great, and I still really like it. It was not charged, and I was doing a really thorough cleaning of my house today, and so I wanted to use my regular vacuum. It has a really long cord, but it's not cordless. So I will try to link both vacuums because I get asked about vacuum cleaners all the time, and I love my cordless vac, and I also really like my regular vacuum. now cleaning my wood floors. I'm using a Swiffer sweeper, and one of my awesome viewers let us know that she uses a fuzzy sock from the Dollar Tree on her Swiffer sweeper, and it works so well. I've used it several times now, and it is so great. Now I am washing my hardwood floors. I am using the Rubbermaid Reveal mop, and you can use your own cleaner in this mop, which I like. And I am using the Method Wood Floor Cleaner. It smells like almonds, it smells so good, but it's also great for cleaning your floors. I've tried tons of different wood floor cleaners, and this one is my favorite. Now I'm washing my tile floor. So this is my laundry room, mud room, and I am using the Method Hard Floor Cleaner. I really like this one, but in the past I would use vinegar and water sometimes, and that works great as well. I like the smell of the hard floor cleaner, and it works great. I am now cleaning the bathrooms. This is our powder room. So I already sprayed everything down with the Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose cleaner, and I love the basil scent. And I just got the mint, which is new. So I'll let you guys know when I try that one what I think. Maybe some of you have already tried it. To clean the toilet, I am using the Method Toilet Bowl Cleaner. I already put it in before I started filming in the bathroom so that it could sit in there for a little bit. This is our basement kitchen. So because we don't use this a ton, I just wipe the kitchen down really quickly, so the countertops, and then I will wash the floor in here. I am cleaning the bathroom in the basement. It's a little hard to film because there isn't a whole lot of room for my tripod, and I just really don't want to knock my camera over. So I just do a quick wipe down of the sink and the toilet, and then mop the floor down here. I am using the Mrs. Meyer's Tub and Tile Cleaner to spray down the tub and tile. I really like this one. I also use the Growth Collaborative Tub and Tile Concentrate that you put in the spray bottle, and I will use that in the shower when I'm in there sometimes because it's all natural. I do have an offer that is always available. I usually leave it in my description box from Growth Collaborative, where you can get the Mrs. Meyer's Tub and Tile Cleaner as well as several other products for free. I'll leave the information in the description box, and just to let you know, this video isn't sponsored, but hey, free stuff. I figured I would just mention it, and it usually is in my description box for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it motivating to get some cleaning done in your home. If you aren't subscribed, be sure to hit the red subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up.